Investing can be a powerful tool to grow your wealth, but with so many options, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why we've put together a list of the 8 best investments to make right now, from traditional stocks and bonds to newer options like cryptocurrency. So sit back, grab a notepad, and get ready to discover the top investments that will help you create the life and mindset you desire. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Number 1. Real estate. Real estate has long been considered a solid investment choice, and for a good reason. In today's market, it's one of the best investments you can make. Let's take a look at why. First, real estate is a tangible asset, meaning you can touch it, see it, and live in it. Also, this gives it a level of security. Second, real estate offers the potential for steady cash flow in the form of rental income. This can provide you with a dependable source of passive income that can help you achieve your financial goals faster. Third, real estate can also appreciate over time, meaning that your investment can grow in value as the market changes. This not only gives you the potential for a great return, but it can also act as a hedge against inflation. So, whether you're looking for a steady cash flow, long-term growth, or a combination of both, real estate is one of the best investments to make right now. Just be sure to do your research and invest wisely, and you'll be on your way to a successful real estate portfolio in no time. Number 2. Stocks. Stocks are one of the best investments to make right now for a few reasons. Stocks offer a unique combination of potential for high returns and liquidity, making them a popular choice for many investors. By investing in a well-diversified portfolio of stocks, you can potentially see significant returns over the long term. Additionally, with the ability to buy and sell stocks easily, you have the flexibility to quickly adjust your investments as needed. Another advantage of stocks is the way they allow you to benefit from the growth of successful companies and the overall growth of the economy. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, stocks can play a key role in helping you reach your financial goals. Of course, it's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. But with their potential for high returns and liquidity, stocks are definitely worth considering as part of your investment strategy. Number 3. Purchasing land. Acquiring land is a unique investment that offers several benefits to the smart investor. First and foremost, it has the potential for appreciation in value over time. With the right location and market conditions, your land can become significantly more valuable, potentially leading to substantial returns on your investment. Additionally, land can be used for a variety of purposes, from farming and forestry to residential and commercial development. This versatility makes it a great investment for a range of investors, from individuals to large corporations. But it's important to note that investing in land, you must be careful to research thoroughly to make a successful land investment. So, if you're looking for a solid investment with the potential for long-term growth, land is worth considering. Number 4. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that has taken the world by storm. With its limited supply and growing popularity, it's no wonder that many investors are turning to Bitcoin as a potential investment opportunity. One of the key advantages of Bitcoin is its potential for high returns. As demand for the currency grows, so does its value, making it a potential lucrative investment for those who get in early. Another benefit of Bitcoin is its decentralization, meaning it operates outside of government control and is not subject to traditional monetary policy. This offers a level of stability and security that other investments simply can't match. Of course, investing in Bitcoin is not without its risks, and it's important to understand the technology and market conditions before making any investment decisions. But with its growing popularity and potential for high returns, Bitcoin is definitely worth it. So don't miss out on this opportunity to potentially profit from the growth of the digital currency revolution. Start your research on Bitcoin today and see if it's right for you. Alright, let's take a quick pause first. What do you think about these investments? Let me know what type you want to try this year by leaving a comment below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Let's move on to investment number 5. Number 5. NFTs. What are NFTs? NFTs stand for non-fungible tokens. It is a unique digital asset that uses blockchain technology to verify ownership and authenticity. NFTs can represent anything from digital art and collectibles to gaming items and virtual real estate. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, which are replaceable, NFTs are unique and cannot be replicated. This makes them a valuable and collectible investment for those interested in the growing market for digital assets. Additionally, one of the most significant advantages of NFTs is their scarcity. Unlike traditional assets that can be duplicated, each NFT is one of a kind, making them a valuable and collectible investment. Another benefit of NFTs is their potential for appreciation in value. As the market of NFTs grow, so does the demand for rare and unique assets, leading to increased value for owners. It's important to note that investing in NFTs is still a relatively new and speculative market. So, before investing, it's important to conduct research and comprehend the market. Number 6. Jewelry. For centuries, jewelry has been a popular and valuable investment for those looking to add a tangible asset to their portfolios. Jewelry can offer stability and protection against inflation, as well as a potential for appreciation in value over time. One of the most significant advantages of jewelry as an investment is its intrinsic value. Unlike other assets that are based on market trends or economic conditions, jewelry is valued for its material, craftsmanship, and historical significance. This means that it can hold its value even at times of economic uncertainty. Another benefit of jewelry is its versatility. It can be worn, gifted, or passed down as a family heirloom, making it not only a financial investment but also an emotional one. Of course, not all jewelry is created equal, and it's important to understand the market and invest in high-quality pieces from reputable dealers. You should also consider factors such as the type of metal, the style, and the designer when choosing your jewelry investments. Number 7. Vintage items. Vintage items such as antiques, collectibles, and mid-century modern furniture are a unique and exciting investment opportunity that is growing in popularity. Not only do they have the potential to appreciate over time, but they also offer a tangible connection to the past and a glimpse into history. One of the biggest advantages of vintage items as an investment is their rarity and uniqueness. Unlike mass-produced items that can be found anywhere, vintage items are one of a kind, making them a valuable and collectible investment. Another benefit of vintage items is their potential for appreciation in value. As demand for vintage items grows, so does their value, making them a smart choice for those looking to invest in a tangible asset. However, investing in vintage items can be a bit more challenging than other investments, as it requires a deep understanding of the market and an eye for quality. Nonetheless, vintage items are absolutely something to think about if you're searching for a distinct and fascinating investment opportunity that offers the possibility of appreciation and a link to the past. Number 8. Livestock. Livestock such as cattle, sheep, and goats have been an important and valuable investment for generations, and they continue to be a smart investment choice in today's market. Whether you're a farmer, rancher, or simply looking to diversify your portfolio, livestock offers many benefits that make it an attractive investment opportunity. One of the biggest advantages of livestock as an investment is their potential for consistent and steady returns. Livestock can be raised for meat, dairy, or wool production, which provides a regular and reliable source of income for the investor. However, investing in livestock does require significant initial investment and ongoing expenses for feed, veterinary care, and infrastructure. It's also essential to understand the market and to have a solid business plan in place for making this type of investment. So, if you're looking for a tangible investment with the potential for consistent and steady returns, livestock is definitely worth considering for an investment. There you have it. Thanks for joining us as we discuss the 8 best investments to make right now. Remember, investing is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and the best investment for you will depend on your individual goals, risk tolerance, and financial situations. It's always important to do your research and work with a trusted financial advisor to ensure that you make informed investment decisions. So, take the time to consider your options, set your investment goals, and start building your wealth today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.